In Gujarat, BJP leader Bhupendra Patel is taking oath as the Chief Minister of Gujarat for the second consecutive term. The central government today clarified that there is no proposal under consideration for restoration of the old pension scheme for their employees. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman today asserted that the Indian rupees has been strong against every currency. A SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket yesterday carried into space the first ever Arab-built lunar spacecraft. It was launched from the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. FIFA has initiated a disciplinary case against Argentina for its players' actions during a contentious World Cup quarter-final match against the Netherlands.